The railway from Carlisle to Newcastle is 60 miles long and serves scattered villages and towns in Cumbria and Northumberland, as well as providing a useful rail link between the west and east coast main lines. It roughly follows the course of Hadrian's Wall. Our journey begins at Carlisle's Citadel station, located in the heart of the Cumbrian capital. Signalling commences under the control of Carlisle PSB, or Power Signal Box. The box dates from 1973. One of the old-style speed limit signs has survived in this relatively remote part of the line. Became part of the North British Railway 2 years later. BR closed the line in its centenary year, 1958. Note the starting signal on the down platform. This is used by the hourly stopping service that starts here. It runs to Nunthorpe via We can now see Wylam Station. After Hexham, Wylam has the only other signal box of this unusual design remaining on the line. It was built in 1896 and, like Hexham, the signal box is listed. Wylam is a name that's been associated with railways for over 2 centuries, largely due to the colliery bearing its name. 26, not reopening again until 1984. It has an hourly train service. Still climbing, we pass beneath the East Coast Main Line inside Bensham Tunnel.